Now that the video started, I am going to be doing I got myself a truck. It was given to me for this Christmas. It's an '89 Chevy Silverado. It's a black Silverado, and I figured I have the money now. I might as well go out and buy what I need for tools. And so I figured, I don't know, make a video and show you what I got. I can tell you this was one expensive bill, but I think it'll work for what I need. Okay. First off, this, 20 bucks on its own. 44 ratcheting driver set. There's all different kind of sizes. Oh, sorry, that's the wrong way. I think that'll come in handy for like interior work. It does. I don't think it needs that much work, but you got to think of its age. I'm gonna do a little bit of work to it. This will come in handy for tight places, but then it's got a 5-year limited warranty. Well, it works. I'll put this over here. Then I got these Scott shop towels. Everything in this video that you will see are not sponsored, but I got a brand new thing of Scott's towels for like oil messes and stuff like that. I'll get to sets and everything later. I'll set this over here. I got a flashlight for like interior work or under the hood kind of stuff. I'll probably get another one that you plug in, or like a magnet kind of light, so it can, I don't know, stay to the hood. That works. Probably not. It'll do what I need it to. Then I got this Pittsburgh 40-piece socket set. That's a brand new metric. We got a brand new ratchet, extensions. I don't know, it's a ratchet set. It's a 3/8 ratchet. Set that over here. Then I'll go for this. I got myself a hyper tough 18-volt cordless drill with I think it's a keyless chuck. That's a 3/8, 20+1 adjustable torque settings, 2-year warranty, built-in LED light. Built-in bit holder, 4 to 5 hour battery charging time. We'll be testing that sometime. And listen, this drill, what it includes: 18-volt cordless drill, one whatever battery, one charger, and one double-end screwdriver bit. Well, that'll come in handy. Uses: household repairs, do-it-yourself projects, crafts, drilling tasks, stuff like that. I don't know, it comes in handy. Well, it should. For the set, I got drivers, bit sets, all kinds of sizes. I'll open it up. Then I got the actual bit set. You get anywhere from 1/16 to a 3/8. And these are titanium bits. As you can see, it says 15-piece titanium drill bit set. And then what I've been waiting to show you guys, I'll start with the small kit. It's a hyper tough 116 piece home repair tool set. Comes with all that inside. I'll open it up and show you. But like I said, this truck, I'm getting a new transmission put in it because the transmission needed to be rebuilt. It's got needle nose, oh boy, screwdrivers, everything you could really need right here. That's a 7-ounce hammer, I think. Yeah, there. 7-ounce hammer. I got sockets. Got pieces. I got a tape. More bits, an extension. This will come in handy, but I don't know why. They gave me 2 sets of them, but hex keys come in handy. I actually think this is a Craftsman ratchet, to be honest. I'll put this back perfectly, close it. None of these things are going to work until I get that truck here. And this one, the long one, and then I'll go like this, open up this side. Okay, on this side, hex keys, wire cutters, needle nose, crescents, screwdrivers, and then this in here, wrenches, anywhere from a 15mm to a 5/8. It's got a 3-inch extension bar, then it's got a 4/8 bit holder, then I got another ratchet. So many. Fix that. There we go. Bits. And I'll put this back over that. Then I've got a screwdriver. I got these little itty bitty tuning drivers. Need to get myself a torquer and shit. That's something that come to mind. Come on. Well, I shot like a drill. Little tuning and cleaning drivers. And then I got the bigger drivers. And that's what I've got. It was expensive. It was really expensive. But closed up just like a book. But that's a 123 piece tool set. But yeah, we're going to be doing a 89 Chevy Silverado. That's black, it has a bumper on it. I don't know how good the tires are on it, but we'll figure that out when it gets here. It probably won't be here until at least spring, but I figured I'd get the tools now so I know I have them. But yeah, I like these towels. They come in handy a lot better than any kitchen kind of brand, like Bounty and whatever, because, I don't know, they're made to soak up oil, Scott's. But, yeah, I just wanted to do an update and tell you what we're going to be working on here soon, and hopefully at least spring. But if you like this video, like the video, and if you're into this kind of stuff and hunting stuff and stuff like that, subscribe to this channel and turn on your post notifications. Leave a comment down below if you want to ask something, and I'll get right back to you.